So today I'm going to be talking to you about drawers. With ROTPUNKT we offer different widths, heights and depths of drawers. If I show you a standard drawer, which is about 460 deep in depth. Now compare that to the jumbo drawers that we offer here at Net Kitchens. This is the jumbo drawer. Weight capacity on these drawers is around 25 kg. If you can imagine when you're going on holiday, you have a suitcase which is about 23 to 25 kg. You could actually put one of these in here without any significance to the actual weight of the drawer. We also do something called internal drawers, which is a push system, which you open the drawer and you close it. When you open the drawer back up, it catches the drawer, internal drawer, and it comes back out. The other feature I'd like to show you is the cleaning aspect of the drawers. They're very easy to open, take out. You can put them back in. It's closed. We do internal Lehman's corners. These are shown with the matting system supplied by ROTPUNKT. And again, they're great for corner storage. Again, the weight load on these is about 25 kg. On this side, I want to show you some internal drawers which come with the zero protrusion hinges, which is the wider opening drawers, and it has a small drawer for different types of needs. So we try to design kitchens with different types of drawers depending on the customer's needs. Again, we've got to have the 300 wide drawers, which are the small drawers, and again, you've got the 400 pan drawers on this side. Again, storage, high level storage is always important. Here at Net Kitchens, we offer electric bifold doors, which go up with the click of a button. And again, they come back down with a click of a button as well. Lighting is always very important in the kitchen. We have recessed undercab lights, which can be operated via a remote or an override switch. And we have the tall dresser with a coffee machine built inside. And again, as you can see, we have the internal lights on a sensor switch. So when we close the door, the light will come off. And when we open the door, the light comes back on.